Hello everyone, and welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock. The Tesla stock has been going down recently, and it's been hitting several lows over the last few months. Luckily, there's been something big going on for Tesla, and if it's successful, it can actually boost the company to as high as $3,000. Analysts are pretty bullish and have confirmed that this will be the move that's going to raise the price of the stock to its full potential, and hopefully, Tesla will skyrocket to $3,000 after that happens. But can Tesla really quadruple its share price to $3,000 soon to become the most valuable, biggest earning enterprise on the planet, headed by the richest person? And what's the next big thing for Tesla? Well, today we're going to reveal why Tesla is going to soon soar to $3,000, so stay tuned so you don't miss it. Before we get into it though, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Cathie, who's a longtime Tesla bull, has forecasted the stock is going to reach $3,000 a share by 2025 in a base case scenario based on the success of FSD and widespread deployment of a robotaxi fleet. According to ARK analysis Tasha Keeney, a bull case scenario target of $3,000 and a bear case target of $1,800 indicates that Wood and ARK Invest are very confident in what they call a methodologically conservative valuation model in which Tesla will trade as a mature company rather than a high-growth one in 2026. Elon Musk stated during Tesla's first quarter 2022 earnings call that the company expects to release a dedicated robotaxi with no steering wheel or pedals by 2024. That's only 2 years to build, test, validate, and mass produce, as well as commercially launch a robotaxi service that complies with state-by-state regulatory requirements. It will be navigating the permitting process of 2 authorities in California, Tesla's main market for passenger vehicle sales. Despite the multiple hurdles, Musk maintained a bullish tone. Musk stated that the dedicated robotaxi will be a highly tuned vehicle for autonomy, which means that it will not have steering wheels or pedals, and that it will be accompanied by a lot of other advancements that he finds particularly interesting. I think the robotaxi can be a really powerful product, Musk added later, stating, "I think the robotaxi will be a massive driver of Tesla's growth." Earlier this year, during the launch of Tesla's Austin Gigafactory, Musk described a number of potential products that are a departure from the company's passenger car sector, which provides the majority of its revenues today. Among such products were the mentions of a robotaxi and Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot idea. Tesla's robotaxi Chase pits it against businesses that have been developing autonomous vehicle technology for robotaxis for years, including Alphabet Unit, Waymo, Argo AI, Aurora, GM's self-driving subsidiary Cruise, Motional, and Zoox. Musk has been teasing robotaxis for years, but never as a standalone product like the ones described on Wednesday. Instead, he has consistently vowed to transform current Tesla automobiles into their own robotaxis using an improved advanced driving aid system dubbed Full Self-Driving System, which now costs $12,000. Tesla automobiles include a driver assistance technology known as Autopilot as standard equipment. Owners can purchase Full Self-Driving, or FSD software, where Musk has constantly promised to bring full autonomous driving capabilities one day. FSD cannot drive by itself. It's classified as a level 2 ADAS, since it still requires a human driver to pay attention and to take control. Dozens of films shared by owners paint a skewed view of the software's capabilities, with countless clips of the vehicles failing to manage basic driving and even straying off into another lane, or worse, they're pedestrians. During the call, Musk stated that Tesla's vehicles are by far the lowest cost per mile of transportation that they've ever encountered, and that the launch of robotaxis will provide customers with by far the lowest cost per mile of transport that they've ever experienced, he noted. Look at some of our projections. It would appear that a robotaxi ride will cost less than a bus ticket, a subsidized bus ticket, or a subsidized subway ticket, Musk continued. Notably, he did not reveal what sensor suite Tesla is evaluating for the purpose-built vehicle, or whether or not it's going to solely utilize cameras or the industry-standard LiDAR and radar. Tesla's FSD and autopilot capabilities have stubbornly relied solely on cameras and a vision-based strategy to achieve autonomy, while other AV companies kind of depend on a combination of these, including cameras, radar, and LiDAR. However, on the call, Musk acknowledged the difficulty in achieving FSD with this strategy, which ends up becoming a constant game of 2 steps forward, 1 step back. In effect, this was the prediction from ARK Invest, the firm led by longtime Tesla supporter Cathie and whose funds own over $700 million in Tesla stock. Analysis Tasha Keeney noted on the ARK homepage that ARK is upping its already mind-boggling projection that Tesla's going to reach $1,400 per share in 2024, to a new aim of $3,000 by 2025. Investors took the forecast seriously, increasing its stock by 6.2% to $698 or $41 billion. ARK anticipates that Tesla's value will more than quadruple over the next 4 years and 9 months, and if that happens, its market cap is going to hit $3 trillion, assuming the number of shares outstanding remains at today's levels. Keeney's paper is well written and it provides a thorough roadmap for Tesla to follow. The predictions are based on the Monte Carlo model. ARK generated 40,000 probable outcomes using 34 inputs. As a result of those calculations, Tesla's got a 1/4 chance of reaching $1,500 by 2025 in the bear case scenario and $4,000 in a bull case scenario, and its most likely price 4 years from now is $3,000. It's worth noting that the least optimistic of the 3 projections has Tesla more than tripling, or at least increasing, at an annual pace of 18% by the end of 2025. ARK's forecast has already increased its conviction on Tesla's ability to achieve full self-driving, with the carmaker's prospective robo-taxi business contributing to a 60% chunk of its expected value in 2026, the company said in a statement. According to ARK's bull case, the robo-taxi segment is expected to generate a staggering $486 billion in revenue by 2026. Only $51 billion in revenue, or 1/9 the size, is predicted by ARK's worst-case scenario for robo-taxis. It's a big leap of faith, says Jack Ciesielski, a leading accounting specialist in the country. Jack observed that ARK's case is not based on the fundamentals typically used to value stocks. They're not talking or thinking about Tesla in the conventional sense. When Warren Buffett used to talk about Coca-Cola, he'd say that they sold a little more Coke and hiked prices at a predictable rate each year. The discounted present value of such predictable cash flows served as the foundation for projecting the stock price. Those cash flow estimates were highly accurate and provided a good indication of where Coke's stock is headed. If Coca-Cola's stock fell well below the current value of its predictable stream of future cash flows, investors would pounce, reducing its price to a fair level. Elon Musk also informed Tesla staff that he fully agreed with the price projection from investment management firm ARK Invest. Tesla was given a $3,000 pricing target by 2025 by the New York-based business, which believes the automaker will be producing between 5 and 10 million vehicles per year by then. This represents a significant increase from 499,550 vehicles delivered by Tesla in 2020 and would place Tesla firmly in the automotive elite in terms of mass production. Tesla stock is currently trading at $816 a share. The stock has increased by almost 1,700% in the last 5 years, and with 2020 being a particularly amazing year for Tesla's share price, the market capitalization of over $730 billion shows Tesla is by far the most valuable automaker in the world. If Tesla stock reached $3,000 per share today, it would be the most valuable firm on the planet, valued at $3 trillion. In addition to future prediction plans, ARK Invest's high valuation reflects their conviction in the Tesla network, with substantial profit margins. In an email that was obtained by Electrek, Elon Musk expressed his views to Tesla staff regarding ARK Invest's price goal of $3,000, stating that if we execute really well, I agree with ARK Invest. In the past, Musk has frequently advised Tesla employees to disregard the business's stock price and has even stated publicly that the company is overvalued. He appears to now genuinely believe in the brand's potential, as well as its present and future value. But what are your predictions? Let us know down below in the comment section, and thank you for watching. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.